Hello guys! Muli, nandito na naman muli tayo sa isang pwesto ng healthy shop. Tingnan natin ang kanyang pwesto. Pero bago lahat, mag-order na ako. Gusto ko matikman yung kanilang pastel dito. Yan, simple lamang ang kanyang pwesto. Pero napakaganda, napakalinis. Tingnan natin sa labas. Meron pa siyang highlight sa ilalim ng kanyang ilaw. Very nice, huh? Thank you very much. Yeah, I take a video, you know.
Thank you.
And as you can see, okay. Yes, I will try this one. This is good. So highly recommended.
Thank you.
Thank you.